Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on OMG Network. Previously, we were following a bullish pattern that OMG Network formed on the weekly time frame. And we have already seen, if you're following my videos on OMG Network, the price line was rejected by the support, by the resistance of this pattern. This was a video that I shared last time with you. And it dropped at a very long-term support of this bullish pennant that was formed on the weekly time frame, and this was that pennant, and you can see at that time the price line was at the support, and we also had a very nice support of $11.30, and previously this $11.30 had been breaking as a strong resistance here and here as well, and here slightly the price line moved very close to the support but did not touch it and moved up. Therefore we were expecting that we can have a powerful reversal from here up to at least up to this resistance of the bullish pennant. And by the way, this is the position of the price line at that time. The price line was moving here. Now, I'm just going to play the chart to show you the current situation. The price line, rather than moving up and having a price reversal, it dropped down and broke down the support of the bullish pennant. Now, if we move to the weekly time frame, then we have another support where the price line has dropped. We can see that we have a bounce from here. I'm just going to connect all these bounces. We had another bounce here, and we had another nice rally. We had another bounce. We had another nice rally, and now currently we had another bounce. And I've connected all these bounces, and we also had some rejections, and I'm just going to connect all these rejections as well, like this one, this one, with the current rejections, the most recent rejections which we had here. So there is a broadening formation, a broadening wedge formation that the OMG network has formed on the weekly time frame, and right now we are again dropped at the support of this broadening formation, and the price line was entered at the support of this broadening formation here on August 2020, and now it's more than a year. The price line did not break down this support, therefore we can expect that price line may have a powerful reversal from here, and once we will have a powerful reversal, it can set another higher than previous high, like it is doing every time. Whenever we are having bounces, it is setting a new all-time high. Now if we take a look at the stochastic oscillator with the combination of this big broadening formation, I'm just going to place the stochastic on this weekly time frame, and we can see whenever we are moving at the support, and the stochastic with the combination of the this price line is entering the oversold zone, like previously when the stochastic entered here at the oversold zone, the price line started the sideways move. We had a very small rally, and then we had a big rally, and again the price line moved sideways. The stochastic entered the oversold zone, and when the stochastic again gave the buying signal, and it was moving sideways, and the price line started another reversal move. We hit the resistance, move down again, and move up again, and again move down. This time the stochastic entered the buying the oversold zone again, and the price line again touched the support of this broadening formation. Again we received a buying signal by the stochastic, and the price line after this sideways move started a very big reversal move. Now we have again received the buying signal, like this blue line of the stochastic has crossed up this orange line, that is the buying signal from the oversold zone, and the price line now it may move here sideways, or it will start a reversal move very soon. Now if we take a look at the next target, for example, if the price line will hit here, the resistance, that will be approximately $24. But in order to start this big reversal move, the price line needs to break out a key resistance of $7. We can see that this is their $7 resistance level. I have placed a trend line here, and you can see that previously it had been working as a support and resistance, like here it has been working as a resistance, and here as a support, and here as a resistance. So several times this level has been working as a resistance and support. Therefore, right now it can work as a very strong resistance. You can see that the price line has reached again at this resistance and likely to have rejection. but we also have crossed up this EMA 21, the exponential moving average 21 on the daily time frame. That is very important because most of the times when the OMG network crosses up this EMA 21, like previously when we crossed up here, we had a very nice rally and support of this EMA 21. Therefore, this time this EMA 21 can work as a very, very nice support. So this is really very important movement for the price line because it is breaking out EMA 21 and the $7 resistance at the same time. It can have a rejection from here, but we can see whenever we have received the buying signal, like for example, we received the buying signal here from the oversold zone. Then we again received the sell signal, but the price line was moving above this support sideways. So it is possible if we will have a rejection by EMA 21 and $7 resistance level, then the price line will continue its move sideways above this support, and soon it will start and move to the upside. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.